In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to transactions in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to add memos or notes to any transaction, which is useful for keeping extra details, reminders, or personal context for your spending. To do this on desktop, go to the Transactions tab and click on any transaction to expand it. Scroll down to the Notes section, then type your memo in the text box. It saves automatically, so you do not need to click Save. On mobile, the process is similar. Tap a transaction to open its details, scroll to Notes, and tap Add Notes. Once you type your message, it will also auto-save instantly. You can use this feature to add reminders, explanations for purchases, or any extra information you want to remember later. Later on, you can also search or filter transactions based on notes, or export your data to include the notes column for reporting. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.